Schema drift detection and real-time data streams explained. In this video, you will learn how to detect and manage schema drift using modern tools, enabling you to maintain data integrity and responsiveness in real-time analytics environments.
Did you know that even a small change in your data structure can lead to catastrophic analytics failures? Welcome to our deep dive into schema drift detection and real-time data streams. Schema drift is the silent data threat that can undermine your business analytics. In this video, we'll explore the complexities of real-time data streams, the tools and techniques to detect schema drift, and the steps to ensure your data infrastructure remains robust. Stay with us as we unravel these complexities and equip you with practical skills to master real-time schema drift detection. Real-time data streams are the lifeblood of modern analytics, providing businesses with up-to-the-minute insights. These streams consist of continuous data flow that needs to be processed without delay. However, the complexity arises from the sheer volume and speed of data. Maintaining data integrity becomes a challenge as these streams often involve diverse data sources and formats. Understanding the structure of real-time data streams, such as event-driven models, is vital for detecting schema drift. From e-commerce to finance, every industry relies on these streams for real-time decision-making. Schema drift occurs when there are unexpected changes in the structure of incoming data. This can be due to unplanned changes in data sources, version updates, or even human errors in data entry. Inconsistent data formats from different sources also contribute to schema drift, leading to analytics disruptions. Understanding these common causes helps in identifying potential risks and implementing preventative measures. The impact on analytics can be severe, resulting in inaccurate insights and flawed business decisions. Awareness and proactive monitoring are key to mitigating these risks.
Detecting schema drift in real time requires robust tools designed for high-speed data environments. Popular tools like Apache Kafka, AWS Kinesis, and Confluent offer powerful features for schema monitoring. These tools can be integrated with your existing systems for seamless operation and provide real-time alerts to address issues immediately. It's crucial to consider the scalability and cost of these tools as businesses grow and data demands increase. Choosing the right tool involves balancing features, performance, and budget to ensure your analytics infrastructure remains resilient.
Establishing a real-time monitoring system begins with careful planning. Start by identifying and configuring your data sources, ensuring they are compatible with your chosen monitoring tool. Implement schema monitoring by defining key attributes to track and establish thresholds for acceptable changes. Testing and validation are critical to ensure your system functions correctly under real-world conditions. Continuous improvement is essential, as data environments evolve rapidly. Regularly review and update your monitoring system to adapt to new challenges and maintain data integrity.
Integrating drift detection with alerting systems ensures immediate response to schema changes. Real-time alerts are crucial for maintaining data accuracy and preventing analytics disruption. Tools like PagerDuty and Slack can be integrated for instant notifications. Configuring alert thresholds involves setting parameters that define when an alert should be triggered, taking care to balance sensitivity to avoid false positives. A timely response is vital, requiring well-defined procedures for addressing alerts and minimizing impact. This integration streamlines operations and enhances data reliability. When a schema drift alert is triggered, the first step is a thorough analysis to understand the scope and potential impact. Prioritize response actions based on severity and urgency, ensuring critical issues are addressed first. Collaborative problem solving involves bringing together team members with diverse expertise to develop effective solutions. Documenting solutions and outcomes is essential for future reference and learning. Each alert provides valuable insights into potential weaknesses in your system, enabling you to refine processes and prevent similar issues in the future.
Let's explore a real-world case study of an e-commerce company that successfully implemented real-time schema drift detection. The company faced challenges with diverse data sources and frequent schema changes affecting their sales analytics. By integrating a robust monitoring system with real-time alerts, they were able to quickly identify and rectify schema drifts. The results were significant improvements in data accuracy and faster decision-making capabilities. Key takeaways include the importance of proactive monitoring and the value of having a responsive team ready to address data issues promptly. The future of schema drift detection is promising, with emerging technologies enhancing capabilities. AI and machine learning are being integrated to provide predictive analytics, enabling businesses to anticipate schema changes before they occur. This proactive approach increases efficiency and reduces the manual effort required for monitoring. Automation is set to play a significant role, streamlining processes and allowing teams to focus on strategic tasks. Future-proofing your data infrastructure involves staying informed about these technological advancements and adapting your systems to remain competitive and resilient.
As we conclude our exploration of schema drift detection in real-time data streams, we've covered a range of strategies and tools to equip you with the skills needed to maintain data integrity. We encourage you to implement these learnings in your own data environments and continue to refine your processes. Join our community by subscribing and sharing your experiences in the comments. Your engagement helps us deliver more valuable content. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll delve deeper into advanced analytics techniques. Until then, keep your data streams flowing smoothly.